Hey guys, it's Sky here from Sweetener. So to today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to do a video into a GIF. Now there's various ways of doing this. This is the easiest way for me. So you want to get your YouTube video up that you want to use and you want to find the bit that you want, really, basically. So there is a certain scene that I really would like and I'm going to try and find it if I can find it. So I want this one. So you want to pause it. And then you want to download this program called screentogif. Now I'll include the link below, but you've got two versions, which is a downloadable or an MSI. You want to just click download, download it, and then just click on the open. So go back to your video, open this, and then you want to click recorder. So now it's going to record your screen. So drag your screen to where you want your GIF. So that bit, I'm just going to move that up a little bit so I can actually get my board in, and then it'll just how many frames per second, your width and everything. So click record, click play, stop that, stop that. Then it's going to come with the editor and it's going to show you all your frames. So these are my frames. So if I press play, obviously the beginning bit's not going to move because I press play. So I just want, where does she actually start moving? So I'm probably get rid of them ones. So then click play, stop there, get rid of them ones, cut. Oh, go away. So I just want this one, then click, if I remember right, I think it's export, if you're going to do through Photoshop. So export images, do it as frames. You can zip it if you want to zip it. I'm just going to name it AL Fell in Love with the Devil. Oh, that's folder name. That's fine. Wrong one. So name it that. Find your folder that you want to save it to, wherever you want that to be. I'm just going to whack it in here. And then save. It will then say this actual export them 16 frames. Yes. And then if you open Photoshop, then you basically just want to click open. Or do I whack them under roleplay? There's all my frames. So I'm just going to select all my frames. Click open. This might take a while, but it's the easiest way to do it if you're going to edit it through Photoshop. If you're not going to edit through Photoshop, then I'll explain the other way. And then you're literally going to drag your frames on one another. And this can be a little annoying. Oh, I don't want text there. I'm sorry. Move them down. You can. The easiest way to do this is to literally just go like this and just. And then align them once you've got them all on there. So I'm sorry for the noise you get. It's my mouse cable snagging. So once you've got all of them, we can now line them all up. Unfortunately, it is a bit tedious, but if you're going to edit it through Photoshop, this is the easiest way. Well, I say easiest way. It's the easiest way. I figured out how to do it. Again, if you know a quicker way, let me know in the comments. So once you've got them all lined up, we can now crop it if you want it cropped. So crop it to whatever size you want. If you're gonna resize it, then it's supposed to do it. So you go image size, click on the thingy, and then just make it however big you want it. I'm gonna make it 300. And also, if you want a PSD, then you can add your PSD on. So you can just whack your PSD on here whilst you're at it, and then you can click create frame animation. Again, exactly how I showed you on the GIF video. Make frames. And if you want to tag it, you can tag it now. I don't know why that's so chunky. And there is your GIF. So essentially you can obviously slow down the animation time. But there is your GIF if you're going to do it that way. Now if you're not going to do it that way and you want to create it through this, then the easiest thing to do is obviously get your layers. We'll cut them. Yep, don't need them. And then we want to go edit. Oh, no, don't. Oh, here we go, crop. Oh, let me make this a bit bigger. Crop it down to the size that you want, and obviously on the size here it will tell you how big it is. You can't be very precise with this, which is quite frustrating, that's why I don't tend to use it. Then once you're happy, click apply. You can still add your frame title or text onto this if you want to. Again, it's not very good, but you can if you want to do it that way. Or you can just do it. File. Oh, I haven't used this program in so long that I'm like, wait, what am I doing? I think we can change the timings on here as well. No, you can't. Okay. And then you want to go file, and then if you... Where's my extras gone? Ah, I got a clue. Save as, GIF, leave it as the basics, save to a folder of your choice, and then obviously find your folder that you want to save it to. I'm just going to pop it in pre-domains for now. Now once that's saved, you can essentially add that in. Why hasn't that saved? Oh, I get saved. I'm sorry. Wait for it to process. And then once it's ready, you can open it that way. And your GIF will be ready. And obviously if you want to edit it this way, you can then edit this way. Oh, what have I just done? I want this GIF. Copy them all. And then if you want to add your tags on, you can do it exactly the same way. And because you've already got the GIF made, if you put the colouring on top, it will keep that colouring. And again, if you wish to resize it, then just image size. Oh, other than the text, but yeah, you get the idea. And there's the GIF through that way. So there's two ways I've shown you how to do it. You can either just GIF it separately in Photoshop and edit it each frame individually, or if you don't want to do it, you just want to edit the GIF, then obviously use the program and just play around with it. I hope that helps. All the links in the description. So for screen-to-GIF, obviously not Photoshop because I can't share that unfortunately, but it will give you the link on how to use it and what the best way of, or which option you've got. So if you want an install or just the software, so basically the one I'm using you don't have to install, it's just the software. You basically use it portable version. But I hope this makes sense. If you've got any questions, then do let me know. I'm always here if you need me. I may be a little bit slow at replying, but I'll do my best. All links for my social media are in below, so there's plenty of platforms to reach me on. And thank you for watching. If you like this video, hit subscribe and like. Thank you.